I like living this kind of life. Bella Vita gives the best life. You're not recording that, are you? Bella Vita, the beautiful life. Welcome. And let me tell you why. We have one fee, all inclusive. Everything is included. All utilities. You come in. We have all of your appliances in the apartment for you, ready for you to begin. We have on-staff maintenance and after hours as well too, so that if you should happen to get locked out of your apartment, we'll take care of that as well too. We take care of all that here at Bella Vita for you. No worries, we got it all covered. Valet trash pickup at your door. Housekeeping. We have lots of activities here. We have a theater room. We have a lovely bistro area here, 24-hour coffee bar. Who needs to go to Starbucks when you can have it right here at Bella Vita Senior Living? So come and explore everything we have to offer here at Bella Vita. Ask for me, and I'll give you a private guided tour myself, and you can see everything we have to offer here at Bella Vita. Come and see, come and explore this beautiful, active adult community we call Bella Vita, the beautiful life.